Morning everyone, it is still morning. I just had a sudden thought, is it even still morning? It is still morning. I have just come into the salon and brought my cardboard box back that I took stuff home in because I just need to grab some extra bits for my online class tonight. I took most of the stuff home last week, which you would have seen in my vlog. I think I showed you, maybe I didn't show you what I took home, but anyway, I'll show you that later today or tomorrow. I'll show you what I've got at home. But basically a couple of weeks ago, which I think I did share with you, I separated all of the colours and the glitters into boxes, like containers, and then put them all in these drawers. So they're all very organised, but they now all need to come home, and then my plan will be to take this drawer unit home at some point. I don't think that one's going to go in my car, but I also want to take one of these desks home to put in our front room so I can sit on my laptop, and also this unit here, so we're going to need some help with that. So we'll get that done at some point once we're a little bit further along with like clearing the rest of it. But I will of course need to take my million colour pots home as well. I think I need to go to like Elegance Anonymous because it's ridiculous. I thought they were all gonna, stupidly, I thought they were all gonna fit in that box. So then I moved into this box. This wasn't also big enough, so then I moved into this box and I'm still overflowing. But anyway, that's colours. And now I need to also grab, I wrote a list because I thought if I don't write a list, I will forget what I am supposed to be getting here. So I need my cleanser pump, which I don't know where that is. This is the only problem when you're like moving stuff around, is that I put things somewhere and then I can't flip them or find them. I don't actually know where I've put that. Oh, maybe it's in here. We just, when Debbie came to get some stuff the other day, we just put loads of stuff in this box. I'm just wondering. God, this is a mess. We have one cleanser pump. I'm gonna fill this up actually before I take it home. I've decided to sack that small box off and set another big one because I'm going to need some more space for the other stuff. So the other thing I need is nail wipes, which I want to take this one home because it's white and all the other containers I have are black, so I'm going to pop that in there. Unfortunately I can't get hold of the like Elegance wipes at the minute, so we squared her out. So Mondo lint free it is for now. Then I need nail glue, although I think I'm probably going to sculpt for tonight's class, but I'll take a couple home anyway, just to be on the safe side. Where should I put that? Shove that down with the wipes, keep them safe. And nail forms. Now, did I put them in this box as well? Yes. Take home that other phone charger as well, because I like to keep my phone charging. Oh, that is not the forms that I want. There we go. Platforms? No. I've got so many packs of forms, all for different things. Forms. That's what I needed. take home was some extension leads. I've taken one home, but it's not quite long enough to reach the plug. So I'm just trying to figure out. I've got a lot of these like IKEA ones, but the leads are really short on them. So I'm not sure. Might have to have a little dig around. I know I've got one with like a really long cable, so I need to find that. I think that's everything that I need for today. I found an extension lead with a longer cable, so that's cool. And I've just grabbed 2 of the shorter ones as well, just in case, because one of the plugs, it's the only problem with the room that I've got my desk set up in. On the side of the room that I'm on, there's no electrical sockets, there's no plugs. So I am having to run an extension lead from the other side of the room, but it also means that I'm taking up a plug that Reece uses for some of his computer stuff. So I'm just going to take home like a few extension leads. In fact, I've just seen another one. I'm just going to take them all home, and then hopefully we'll, one or other of them will be good enough for what we need. I just thought I would update you as well about my knees, because I just realised I haven't mentioned that, and I mentioned in my last vlog that I'd really hurt myself. Knee update, they are feeling a lot better. Definitely not like 100% just yet. Today is definitely the best day, and I've not taken any painkillers today, and that's the first day that I've had. Yesterday I took them in the morning, and I didn't take any the rest of the day. And today I have not taken any. I'm still doing the ice, so I like ice them, keep them raised and ice them like a few times in the day. So I'm just gonna see how it goes today. I don't wanna like push it and then feel awful again tomorrow. So I'm just trying to take it easy. So I'm just gonna, this is all I'm gonna do today. I'm not gonna do anything else. There's still quite a bit to sort through here, so like all of these are cupboards and they've all got stuff in. Stuff here probably can go, there's probably a lot of stuff that can go, to be honest, because when we moved in here we didn't have much time between moving from the old premises to this one and then having clients back in, so a lot of the stuff was just kind of shoved in the cupboards. And to be honest, most of them have never seen the light of the day since, so a lot of it is going to be chucking stuff away, but it's just one of those things that's going to take a little bit of time. In here isn't too bad. This, like I say, is coming home. Probably take the mirror home, put it in the hallway. This chair, I love this chair, but there's just no space for it at home, unfortunately. Probably take the plants home. They look a bit dead, but then they're actually not dead because the leaves at the top are green. It's just where when we've been closed, they've not had water at certain times, and then the leaves have dried out. And then here, this is full of stuff, but again, this is all kind of salon stuff, so it's like gift vouchers and things which I'm not going to need now, so again, it's just going to be sorting through it and just chucking stuff away. And then we've got all of like the kitchen-y bits, so I'll probably just take the plates and stuff down to the charity shop. Some of the glasses I will take home. Obviously, my light Elegance mugs will come home and have pride of place, but like we don't need a second kettle at home. I might take the microwave. We don't have a microwave at home, but I'm not a massive fan of microwaves, and I just think if you don't have one, it discourages you from using it. So I don't know, I'll ask Reece, see what he thinks, but I'm gonna stop rabbiting because I'm really hungry. I don't know what the time is. It is 11:10. I'm starving. So I'm gonna drive home and then make some lunch. By the time I've made some lunch, it'll be like 12 o'clock. Good morning, guys. It is Thursday. I don't know if you can see me even. It is sunny today, but this side of the house doesn't get the sun so much in the morning. I am just about to make my breakfast. I'm gonna have some pancakes today. I've really got into pancakes the last couple of weeks for my breakfast. So I make enough batter to last me for like 3-4 days, and then I don't have to make it every day. I just literally whip it out of the fridge and put it in the pan, and it takes me like seconds. But I have got a mammoth day today. I've got loads of stuff that I want to get done. my hay fever does feel bad, so yeah, I think that is why my eyes are looking a bit red today. Let me face you that way. There we go. The light is just terrible from that direction. So it is 8:20 and I have got quite a bit that I want to get done today. Reese is away with work for today. He had to drive down to Cornwall, so I got up not long after him, and I'm just going to try and get as much done as possible. So I'm going to have my breakfast, take Winnie out for a quick walk. My knee was feeling much better yesterday, although when I did my class, I'll show you actually, when I did my class, it's the first time I've done one from home, and when I did it, so this is my desk set up here, so looks much better than the monstrosity that was here last week. So the desk is here, we have this lovely window, but something that we hadn't realised, because Reese's stuff is all on this side and we haven't really done anything with this side up until now, because I've just been waiting to kind of get my storage and things sorted, and then of course everything happened and I've decided to work from home. So long story short, basically one thing we've realised is that the sun comes in at this exact angle at approximately 6:15 in the evening. So my class starts at 6 until 8, and so instead of being sat face on here, I moved this trolley out of the way while I was working. I was basically having to block the sunlight with my back, so I was melting because the sun was literally beaming on my back, but also my leg was like literally squashed against this set of drawers, so that I was, like I say, shading the nails, because those of you that do nails will know, if you've got sunlight coming through a window, it's going to set your gel. So I didn't want to ruin my brushes or like set a pot of gel or something stupid. So yeah, that was a little bit frustrating, because yesterday, by the time I'd finished the class, my knee was really painful again, but it feels much better again this morning. I feel kind of like I did yesterday morning, so that's a good sign. So I am gonna take Winnie just for a really short, like up the lane and back again, really short one this morning. Something that I want to do today is do my stretches, so I haven't done any of the stretches yet. So I think the fact that I'm feeling a lot better again today, I think it's time to start doing the stretches and like try and build some strength back in that area, ready to start doing some proper exercise again. I also really want to do this hand of nails, because I've got an idea for a class that I really want to do, but it's something that I haven't actually done on anybody yet. So I'd like to do like a set so I can post it online and then advertise the class and stuff. So that is another thing that I need to do today. What else do I need to do? There's something else that I need to, so me and Reese have kind of been getting on, him more so than me because of my knees, but been trying to like be a bit healthier, be a bit more active, and mentally I know that I want to be more active, and I can't wait to like get back into the swing of things when my knees are like ready for it. But one thing now that we really feel like we need to concentrate a little bit more on is our diet. So for those of you that have followed me for a while, you'll know that we are vegan, so we eat plant-based. And while we eat fairly healthily, I just think maybe while we're trying to be a bit more active and do a bit more exercise, I don't know if what we're eating is necessarily the best thing for like energy levels, and also being able to like work out without like feeling sick. We are carb lovers, like we love the carbs. We love pasta, we love rice, we love bread, and we kind of know that it doesn't really make us feel amazing, but we just love it, so we still eat it. So one of the things that I really want to do today is sit down, go through some of my cookbooks, pick out some recipes. That's kind of my plan for today, but I just feel like I've got so much to do and that not enough hours to actually do it. So I'm up, it is 8:20 and I'm gonna make my breakfast and then crack on with the day. It is 11:45 now and I have just finished doing my nails and I am in love with them. So I've basically gone for like a multicolored quartz, a different color on every nail, and I am obsessed with them. So I basically, somebody asked if I would do a class on rose quartz, and I thought, well, rose quartz is like, I don't want to say boring, but you know, everyone kind of does rose quartz, and I thought, how can I make it a bit more interesting? And I basically found, let me find, oh, there's this image on, I found this listing on Etsy with like all these different coloured crystals, and I thought, it just like sparked an idea in my brain. So I kind of took inspiration from this picture and did multicoloured crystal nails. It was a bit of an experiment along the way, but I am really chuffed with how they've turned out, and yeah, I think I will definitely do a class on these because they're just so lush. I'm waiting for the new colours to arrive. Like Elegance announced the new autumn collection on Monday, and I got an email from Sweet Squared, who's the UK distributor. I got an email from them on Monday to say, to ask me my address to send the new colours to me. And they're still not here, which I find a bit strange because they normally arrive literally within like 1 or 2, like what, normally it's the next day, or like worst case scenario come the day after, but it's now been like 3 days, which I find a little bit strange. So I'm gonna see, I'm just gonna wait and see if it comes today, and if not, I'll just email to check if they've sent it, you know, make sure it's not got lost. The colours have come, the new colours have arrived. I have not swatched them yet, so I can't give you like honest opinions on that side of things and like comparisons and all that, but they're really, really nice. I'm very excited about this colour for a very specific design in mind. I love this one because it's called Paprika, and I love paprika, and I love smoking hot pepper because it's a black glitter, and I just love black glitter. Obviously I love these two because they're blue, and the poppy seed is really, really nice. So I think, yeah, my picks would probably be colour wise Curry On and Well Seasoned, although I think Simmer Down will be very, very popular with customers, as will Holy Habanero. And then for me, glitter wise, Paprika, Smoking Hot Pepper, Feisty and Spicy, and Poppy Seed. Although again, I think Shake Your Salt Shaker, that is a tongue twister, will be popular, and I really, really like this. I think maybe it's a bit early for this now, but I think as we go into proper autumn, this is going to be beautiful. Someone please tell me how this can happen. I've literally just pulled an extension lead off of there, knocked the first aid kit, and it's just literally fallen apart. What the hell? My eyes look horrendous. I think Shake Your Salt Shaker, that is a tongue twister.